I talk to my soul every day. She tells me where my heart should stay. Through shadows deep and stars that fall, her whisper saves me. After all.
The detailed service breakdown. Jervon Marketing and Electrical Solutions, your partner for safety, comfort, and security. As a licensed, registered, and fully certified service provider, we understand the importance of reliable infrastructure for your home or business. Managed by licensed electrician Clarence Arjun, we offer a comprehensive suite of services: electrical solutions, professional installation, troubleshooting, and repairs. C Comfort, expert C installation and servicing. Advanced security, CCTV camera installation and complete security system setup. Essential safety, fire alarm installation and extinguishers sales. Bonus services, general plumbing, and more. We are committed to delivering high quality, dependable solutions across Trinidad. Let's get your project done safely and correctly. Call WhatsApp 1-868-981-288. Email c.arjo1991@hotmail.com. Located in Princess Town.